How to buy XRP on Binance. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead on Binance.com and buy XRP. So the first step on buying XRP is to register. So click register up here and then make an account. Once you make an account, all you want to do is go to buy crypto, and then you want to go credit/debit card. And once it gets to here, you want to change this to whatever currency you're in. I am AED, so if you're in US, you can go USD. But for now, I'm going to do AED, and I'll say 500. And then you want to go to receive and change this to XRP. $600. And then it's going to tell you to log in. And then you'll continue to purchase.